Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh today inspected the cancer wing at the Shillong Civil Hospital. She, along with the officials of the department, took stock of the functioning of the cancer wing and also inquired about various challenges and issues being faced at the cancer wing. Expressing her satisfaction over the functioning of the hospital, she stated that the government has come up with a cancer mission to combat cancer as a disease on a war footing. She informed that the department is working not only on preventing but detecting cancer cases at an early stage. Meanwhile, Lyngdoh, who reviewed the functioning of the department yesterday, has also taken up a 100-day challenge to initiate reforms to improve the overall indexes in the health sector pertaining to maternal mortality rate (MMR) and infant mortality rate (IMR), 100% coverage of Megha health insurance scheme, and addressing the issue of teenage pregnancies.
It has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they're well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this cancer institute as well.
Deputy Chief